Yo, what's good guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing an Isr Y-Pipe install on the G. And yeah, let's do a little cold start. I'm gonna throw that up right now, and I'm gonna catch you guys when I get to the shop. And also, it's a little custom exhaust. I'm gonna throw in a little vibrant resonator, see how that sounds with the Isr single. Hopefully it gets rid of the drone and rasp a little bit. I don't expect it to do a lot, but I'd appreciate it if it does a lot. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get to the shop. And here's the cold start at 9:30 in the morning. So we just got to the shop here. We're about to put it up on the lift and see how it goes from here. Actually jacking up the car first to put it on the lift because the car is too low to get on the actual lift. So we got to jack it up first and then put it up. Hey, we're making movement. We're making movement. The car is up on the lift. Let's go. We're about to see where the leak is at. And yeah, throw on the Y-pipe and throw on my resonator. That's what's gonna make it a custom exhaust. Nobody steal my idea, thanks. Right, so we got the Isr Y-Pipe here. Got the car up on the lift. We're gonna be cutting here. Put the resonator in, weld it in, and throw on the Y-Pipe. Yeah. All right, first gasket is off. Alright, so we got the Y-pipe off. Well, it's pretty much off. It just has to disconnect from here. And yeah, we're gonna throw on the new Isr Y-pipe, and we're gonna cut this mid-pipe and put the resonator here. All right, so we just got it put on. I'm gonna do a little drive around real quick and let you guys hear the car. It sounds too good. It sounds too good. There's a little bit of rasp. We didn't get to put on the resonator because Isr's Y-pipe, it is like a 3-inch, so this was not gonna, like, if I had to weld that on, it was gonna be like decreasing the size of like the pipe itself, so it wasn't really gonna work. So I'm just running it full Isr. We are now fully FBO, so next video will be getting tuned. Probably that video will probably be dropping in a couple weeks. Gotta see how everything goes with the car, make sure everything is good, everything's running perfect, and yeah, well, we're breaking necks. We're breaking necks. Oh shit. Alright guys, if you do happen to enjoy this video, make sure to give it a like, you know, subscribe and shit. Yeah, so next video we'll be getting tuned, hopefully. And then we'll see what else goes on for the G. Yeah, so I will catch you guys in the next video.